Welcome to our video, where we pit two popular portable washing machines against each other. The Superdeal Compact Mini Twin Tub and the Portable Washing Machine, both designed for convenience and efficiency. But which one will come out on top? Let's find out! When it comes to washing capacity, the Superdeal offers a total of 8 pounds for washing and 5 pounds for spinning, making it suitable for small loads. In contrast, the portable washing machine has a capacity of 10 liters, which is slightly less in weight, but can handle delicate items effectively. While the Superdeal allows for simultaneous washing and spinning, the portable washer is designed for lighter, more delicate loads. The design of these machines also differs significantly. The Superdeal features a twin tub design, allowing for washing and spinning at the same time, which can save you valuable time. However, it is bulkier. On the other hand, the portable washing machine boasts a foldable design, making it incredibly compact and easy to store, perfect for those with limited space. In terms of functionality, the Superdeal offers basic washing and spinning functions with a straightforward operation. In contrast, the portable washing machine provides 3 different washing modes, catering to various fabric types, which enhances its versatility for delicate items. This feature makes it a great choice for users who need to wash different types of clothing. In conclusion, both the Superdeal Compact Mini Twin Tub and the portable washing machine have their unique strengths. If you prioritize capacity and efficiency, the Superdeal might be the right choice for you. However, if portability and versatility are what you need, the portable washing machine could be the better option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.